Hi, Sarala.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon to you. I have been waiting for you. I am on the dot. I opened it at 2 o'clock. You are late by a few seconds.
Sorry, sir.
Right? No worries. So, what shall we say? Good afternoon. I hope you're having a relaxing Sunday.
Yeah, sir.
Right. Very good. Let me give you a very quick introduction. I am Titus Kochuvarkey. I am a teacher. I have been a teacher all my life for 33 over years. And then I feel very happy when there are learners around. And Sarla, welcome to this first session. Okay.
Thank you. Sir.
You may call me Titus. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, sir. Hi, sir. My name is Sarla. I'm from the state of Andhra Pradesh. I'm currently living in Kodmur, which is in Kurnool district. So I'm currently pursuing my final year graduation with BSc Computers. And coming to my hobbies, in my spare time, I love to listen to music and spending time with my family and listen to podcasts. So this is all about me, sir.
Okay. So here we go. Sarla, you did well. One, now let me come to you. Normally, I tell learners who come to me to smile, very broad smile, but I don't need to tell you because you are doing it. You are smiling. Okay, so smile is essential. It is very important. It is a very big part of presentation skills and also conversational English. The smile is very important. Keep smiling from the beginning till the end. Don't give up. Now, Sarla, can you tell me what you want to learn? I see that this is your eighth session on Englishyaari. Is that correct?
No, sir. It's my sixth session.
Now, let's come to this one. This is your sixth session. And what do you aim to get from Yari?
I want to become a good speaker.
Change the word good. Give me something else. I
Better.
want, I want to become a better speaker. Okay, good. Now we change the word better and we change the word good and we say, I want to become a fluent
Fluent.
speaker, one who is able to speak naturally. Okay, there you will become. I challenge you, I bet you, I promise you that you will be there. But first, we need to. Today's topic, by the way, do you have the topic today that
Yeah,
Yari has given you? What topic is it?
curriculum activities.
Curriculum activities. You like to, have you opened it? You're using a mobile or your laptop?
Mobile, sir.
Mobile. Are you able to read what is written there?
Yeah, sir.
Shall we try? Please try. Let's understand something about extracurricular activity.
So, can I read, sir?
Please read. Please
Hi.
read.
Engaging in extracurriculum activities is a wonderful way to enhance your skills and broaden your horizon beyond the classroom. These activities, which go beyond your regular studies, provide an opportunity to explore your interests and develop valuable life skills. Whether it's participating in sports, joining a club, a volunteering extracurricular activities contribute to personal growth and well-rounded education. They foster teamwork, leadership, and time management skills while allowing you to make new friends who share similar passions. So don't hesitate to step outside comfort zone and discover the exciting world of extracurricular activities.
Sarla, you read it really clearly. Your pronunciation is correct. Your pacing is correct. Your speed is now under control. And I'm really impressed. Congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I'm not joking. I'm not making this up. I'm not trying to say something to make you feel good. No. Three words and just three words. These three. Can you see the chat I have shared with you? Something I have shared in the chat.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what's
Horizon,
okay. Next one.
beyond,
Next one.
volunteering.
Yeah, good. Beyond, you pronounced it correctly now. But when you read, You read it as beyond. This is beyond.
Beyond.
Okay. Then it is not horizons, it is horizons.
Horizons.
Horizon. Horizon. Say it again. Don't worry. Say it, Sarla.
Horizons.
Yeah. And then volunteering. As it is written, volunteering. Because there are two E. So T-E-ring.
Vol-
Volunteering. Say it again.
volunteer.
Correct. You got it. You got it. You got it. Volunteering. Please practice this. Actually, you don't have much of mother tongue influence, so much of your Andhra, Telugu you speak, and therefore you find it difficult. No, your pronunciation is fine. Keep going. Now, let's begin. Let's begin this one. Okay. Today, immediately, first of all, how would you say? Suppose I ask you, um, um, suppose you tell me, Titus, it is a fine afternoon. Yeah, you will tell me that it's a fine afternoon, right?
Yeah. I
Yeah,
know.
so it's a fine afternoon. Okay, change the word fine. Give me another synonym now.
It's a fantastic afternoon.
Wow, that's good. That's good. Fantastic afternoon. Yes. Come on, keep going. Next one. Change. Don't use fine and fantastic. Another word.
Okay. It, it's a funny afternoon.
Yeah, it's a funny afternoon. That's good. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, then next one. Don't use funny, fantastic, fine. Other words.
It's a crazy afternoon.
Wow, I just expected you to say that. And you said exactly that one. Okay, next one.
So,
Another one. Don't use crazy, funny, fantastic, fine.
okay. It's a phenomenal afternoon.
My God, that's a phenomenal afternoon. Wow. Come on, tell me that. I would like to write down that because that's not in my list anyway. I love that. Okay. I'll help you with some. I'll help you with some. Okay, I'll remind you. You will know. For example, it's a. Oh my God, am I there?
It's a cool afternoon.
Yeah, it's a.
Cool afternoon.
It's a okay, how about that?
It's a beautiful afternoon.
Yeah, how about this?
It's a wonderful afternoon.
Do you feel happy?
Yeah.
Then this is for you.
It's a joyous afternoon.
Afternoon. Yeah. Then this is also for you.
It's a happy afternoon.
Oh my God, my computer is shutting down. Just a minute. Okay, so then this is also for you.
It's a blessed afternoon.
Yeah. Then this one.
It's a pleasant afternoon.
Yeah. What about this one?
It's an amazing afternoon.
Then
Adventurous afternoon.
how about this one?
It's a glorious afternoon.
Yeah. How about this one?
It's a majestic afternoon.
Yeah. And what about this one? I'm giving you now. Wait a minute. How about this?
It's a splendid afternoon.
Oh, I finished. Not yet. I thought I finished. Not yet. Yeah. How is this?
It's a super afternoon.
Yeah. This is no spelling mistake, but it's a separate word. Read it.
It's a super afternoon.
Yeah.
It's a challenging afternoon.
Um,
It's a gorgeous afternoon.
gorgeous afternoon. So, how many synonyms do you have? How many synonyms of the word? See, actually, we normally use only this fine. Suppose you tell somebody or ask somebody, then, oh, it's fine, I'm okay. And you forget all these synonyms.
Yes.
Just count the number of synonyms that you. I just want you to read through this one. See the number of. Uh, I just wanted to show you the wealth of vocabulary that you can have if you play with the storehouse of vocabulary. It can help you to become a fluent speaker. Shortcut to becoming a fluent speaker is to invest in learning vocabulary. Yeah,
Yeah.
invest learning in vocabulary. uh, you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and then 15 16 17. Do you think that learning more synonyms will help you to improve your English?
I mean, advanced words, it would be useful for improving our fluency.
So advanced words, let's forget them for the time being. Your fluency depends on your vocabulary. Your fluency depends on your vocabulary. No doubt about that. So from today onwards, what would Sarala do? Sarala would try to improve Sarala's vocabulary.
Okay.
Okay? Okay,
Okay.
that's fine. Now, this is not all. This is for very, very formal English. But if you want to use an informal English and you want to talk with your friends just for fun, then you can say this one.
This.
Yes, please pronounce that word.
Supercalifragilistic.
Yeah. This is only for fun. This is only just to speak informally.
Okay. It says supercalifragistic
Yeah, yeah.
afternoon. Okay.
I'll make it easy for you to read it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's what I was trying. Okay, okay. Here we go. There you have it. Could you read it now?
It's a supercalifragilistic ex- expialidocious afternoon.
Expiali.
Expi-
Expiali. Yeah.
Expialidocious afternoon.
So super. Read it again and again. It's a fun actually. It is just to tell you that vocabulary is powerful. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Please read them.
Empathy, sympathy.
What is sympathy? What is sympathy? You know that.
Yeah, very kind to some people.
Correct, correct. To sympathy, show sympathy means show kindness to people.
Yes.
But mostly only words, words. But empathy is showing kindness both in words and in deeds.
It's okay.
Okay, so I'll explain to you that one. Sympathy means maybe somebody met with an accident. Your friend met with an accident and is admitted in the hospital. So you rush to the hospital, and no, you don't go to the hospital, but rather you make a phone call. Hello, I heard you're sick. Are you okay? I feel so sad that you are on on a hospital bed in a hospital bed. Okay, and then what can we do? Everyone meets with accidents. I shall pray for you. Then you stop there. But if you are a person who would take the next step, and if you are a person who is full of sympathy, what will you do? You will say, hello, hey, you met with an accident? I heard that and I feel really sad. Hey, which ward are you? Which hospital, which ward? Ward number 41. Okay, I'm coming. And you stop the phone, you drive your car, or you go by bus or by train or by flight, and then you go to visit that person in the hospital, and there you sit very close to him or her, and then hold your hands, give him a pat, give him a hug, and then tell, hey, I really feel sad about this. And you look at the bystanders there. Did you all eat something? Or are you hungry? Can I take you to a hospital, to a nearest restaurant? And then you take them to the nearest hotel or restaurant, and then you buy them food, and then give them drinks, and then take them home to have a change, and then come back, bring them back. You drive them back. This, and then before you come away from the hospital, you take 500 rupees and give to the person. Hey, keep this money with you. If you need more, let me know. I will help you. That's called empathy.
Okay.
So sympathy is only words. I feel sorry for you. I will pray for you. But empathy means I feel sorry, but I
So,
am here to help you. And then comes apathy. Apathy means nothing at all. Neither sympathy nor empathy. That's
okay.
called apathy. Dislike. Oh, your friend met with an accident. You don't go to meet him or her. And then that you don't care for that person. You express neither sympathy nor empathy. That is that. Sarla, time is flying. It's already 2:27 here. It's going to be 2:28. Did you get something from today's class?
Yeah, sir. I learned a lot, and we can learn this vocabulary in funny manner also. So
In
I
a funny manner also.